in this second how to read the output, the reports, the graphics recording, we will talk about the second graph, the feet and body weight graph. Again, it flips on the side automatically when I hit the feet and body weight graph button over there. And here you see the feet intake and body weight graph. The legend is here on the side again, feet intake in black, body weight in yellow, and the standards or the norms for the feet intake and body weight. If I hit the legend button here, it disappears and you get a bigger graph. Again, you can have a look at the rearing, you can have a look at the production, and you can have a look at the total periods. And again, here in the bottom, you see the weeks, and you see the feet intake in gram per day on the left side, and you see the body weight in grams on the right side. This is the feet intake and body weight graph. Because this was very short, I will also go into the commercial insight graph, which is this one, the third graph in the choice. And the commercial insight graph is a little bit different. It shows you what money you have made and or what the margin feed over costs is per hand per day. So that's actually how much money you're making. And you can set a few things here yourself in order to see. The legend you can hide and you can show. I'm going to leave it here because it's quite small. So the margin is what you have made, the margin over feed costs per hand day. And the standard margin is what the margin could be. And in blue, you see that this margin was not really reaching up to where it could be. How do you get to these margins? You have to set these prices. So these prices up here can be set by clicking the set prices button up here. So I'm clicking it now, as you can see, and then you can go here and set a feed price per kilogram or per 100 kilos, whatever you want. And you can set an egg price over here per egg or per 100 eggs, whatever you want. And then you hit the save button over there. And then you get to this graph, which shows you how much money you could have made and in black and how much money you actually have made during this flock. And if you look carefully, you see that it resembles the production hen day quite closely, but obviously there's also the interference of the feed intake if that's higher or lower than the blue line changes as well.